Hi everyone, my name is Aziz and I'm going to show you how to use spreadsheet software. So first we will open a spreadsheet software which is called Excel. There we go. Now I'm going to add some text in 4 cell and some numbers as well. So which I already have made it to make this video shorter. Here we go. So I have add some text in 4 and also the numbers. So now I'm going to change the font color like this. Here I'll click all of the four text. I'll change color from here to any color you want. I'll go for red here. And now I'll make the borders uh, border on the cell. So here we go. Now here's the option for the border. So I'll go for all borders. Alright, yeah, done. Now I'll add some numbers using the formula. So here go for sum formula. So I'll add B4 uh, B7. Okay, press enter, and this is the sum of B2 and B7. Now we will do the division, and all the formula, as we know, start with the equal sign. Now suppose if we divide C4, slash line is for divide, uh, C7, C7. Okay, press enter. So we got the division. Now we need to do take out average of some number. So equal average. Okay. Now we take average of column E. So it starts with E4, 4. So when we're finding a range, we need to go for semicolon. Is E7. So to find the average of 4 column, I'll press enter. It's done. Now I'm going to make a graph of this table. So I'll click on a table like this. Here I'll go for insert option, and there's a graph. There's a different type of graphs you can go for. So if you want like this or this, you can go for a circle one like this. Yes. So I prefer this one, is easiest to understand. So here we go. So here the table, chart table is done. Graphic table, sorry. So this video is done. Now I'm just going to save this file and close the document. Let me just write Excel video done. So save. Now close the file. Okay. Thank you so much, guys.